Welcome back, everybody. I'm so glad that you decided to join me. My name's Melissa, if we've not met, and I'm so glad that you're here. Today, I want to give you a list of some of the things that I've done over the last several months to my channel and give you a quick overview. We're going to dive into some of the analytics and just let you know the growth that I've had since I started. I started this channel about 3 months ago, so I'm halfway into my 6-month challenge that I set for myself in order to monetize this channel. And so we're about halfway there, and I just want to show you where I'm at now as opposed to when I started, and so that you can kind of get an idea of how this is going. Also, so that you can see that I've done this organically and that I've not purchased any subscriptions or any courses or any expensive equipment. So please help my channel and stay tuned to the very end. It will help my analytics, and also stay tuned for my small channel spotlight. You never know if you might be on there. So let's go on over to the analytics. So the very first 6 weeks is where I wanted to start with, and you can come over here and customize this if you're under analytics on your YouTube studio, and then go to advanced mode and then click the drop down here, and you can hit custom, and then you can go in and put the date that you want to check, if you want to do a comparison, or like I'm doing here today. June 11th was my very first video through July the 21st, and I had 7,400 views on my channel. I had 303 watch time hours and 285 subscribers. So that's really not bad. I was feeling pretty good about everything. And you can see here July the 8th where I really had a spike in my channel. If I go over to content, then you can see that my click-through rate is at 3.9% and my average view duration's at 2 minutes and 50 seconds. I want to go back over to the full length of time that I've been on YouTube, which has been the last 90 days, which has been 12 weeks actually. And you can see that I'm up to 11,000 views. I have 474 watch time hours, and I'm at 422 subscribers in real time. It says 420, but it says 422 here, which is the live count. And so I feel really good about that. I'm just really thankful for everybody that has subscribed. And when I look at other channels, and I know they've been on this platform probably for a year or longer, and they're not even anywhere near the subscriber count that I have. It's just when I look at the watch time hours, I'm really thinking, oh my goodness, it's going to take me forever to get to 4,000 watch time hours. You need 4,000 watch time hours over the last 365 days before you can be monetized, as well as have 1,000 subscribers. There is a mark that you reach when you get to 500 subscribers. There's some things that open up for you on YouTube, but I feel like I'm doing really good. And the only thing, I do get discouraged like everybody else does, but what really keeps me going is when you give me some nice comments, and I get these comments, like today I got one that was just really nice, and I was feeling really discouraged because I thought, man, is it worth it really? Because I did the one where it is worth it, but is it really worth it? And is it gonna take me forever before I can get monetized? Am I really going to be able to do it in 6 months? I mean, all these things go through my head, that it made me feel like that I've at least helped one person. And if I can help one person to be encouraged, to be inspired, and to keep going, then it really makes me feel good. And if I can help just one person to do better with trying to understand, how to do a certain skill, then that was just really my goal, was to help people our age with some of this technology, because it's very challenging. It's very frustrating. I don't know if you've gotten frustrated, but I have gotten extremely frustrated at times, and I'm just like, oh. Another thing that I did for my channel that I wanted to show you is I've been adding end screens. So you're in YouTube Studio, you need to come over to your content, which brings up your videos. You can go into details of your video, and then over on that video you can scroll down to the right and you'll see end screen. Click end screen, and then it's going to give it for you the last probably 20 seconds, I believe, is how much it allows of the video. So you have the last 20 seconds that you can have another video pop up that you want the person that's viewing to watch, or you can add 2 of them. You can let them select the most recent upload, you can choose that, or you can let YouTube choose the best one for the viewer, or you can choose a specific video. And that's really nice. So, and then also you can add a subscriber card. You can add an element here. You could add a playlist, a video, the subscribe button, which I already have, which is your profile picture for people to subscribe. And then you could add a link. So those are the elements that you can put in here. If you want to view where it's going to show up, you can actually move the cursor here to see exactly, and just kind of click, and you can see these videos that I've chosen, the best for viewer and the most recent upload. Now you can move these boxes around. Now you don't want to cover up your subscribe button. See, it does that. If you wanted to delete this, you would just hit the trash can button and delete it. If I want to add it back, then I'm going to hit the subscribe button and it's going to put it back, except it's right there. So I want to move this down here so that it's kind of out of the way. So there. So that looks good. And then you hit save, or you can discard. I'll save that since I messed around with it. So you can save it. And then you can add cards, and the cards are similar. The cards are these little flags that show up. So let's say I'm going to add a card, and I just want to add a video, and you can choose the video that you want to add. So maybe it has something to do with the thumbnails, and I can't remember, but so it puts it here, easy tips to make eye-catching thumbnails. So if people click on it, then it'll take them straight to that video. You can do subtitles. I have not done subtitles yet. I'm not very certain about it. If you have any information on subtitles and you've used them, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. How to make a playlist or to create one. I've really kind of struggled with this, so I thought if I'm struggling with it, maybe other people are too. So you want to go over to your YouTube studio and go to the left side here and go to customization, and you're under layout, you can see here, and then come back over here. You can create and hit new playlist, and then you can title it. I've done this a couple of times, so it's going to show up, but I'm just trying to so that I can show you content creation. I'm just going to do that. You can add a description, and then you just hit create. And you see here it says created, playlist is created. Now it's really a ghost playlist right now because there's not a video in it. But you come here, you want to add this section, so you hit single playlist, and then you click it, and you see there it is. So when you go to upload your video to YouTube, you can choose to put it into a playlist, and if that's the one that you choose, then it's going to be there, so your video will show. And it just makes your channel just look so much more professional. Now, if you want to delete this playlist, you can come right here and you can just remove section, and then it's gone. So that takes it out for you. The other thing that I did to improve my channel when you come onto it is the channel trailer. So I chose the video, which was my very beginning intro video, for that. And then you can also choose another video as a featured video for returning subscribers. So I did that as well. And so creating those playlists and doing that, I just feel like it made my channel look a little bit more like I know what I'm doing. And so if you're kind of feeling like, well, people probably think you don't know what you're doing, and if the more professional you can look, the better off your channel is going to be. So I hope this helps you though, because it really did. It helped me a lot. The other thing that you can do is you can view your playlist on YouTube. So you can just click this section here, view playlist, and it'll pull it up for you. And then if you want to switch around your order here, I have all these listed on this playlist, so I could bring this up. You just grab hold of these little bars here and just move it to where you want. So that's really nice. So you can just put it in any order, or what order you feel is best and how you want people to watch it. So the goal is once they get onto your channel and they watch a video, that they'll watch other videos and keep them on your channel and on YouTube. And the final thing that I did for my channel is I unlisted all the shorts. I had only 3 or 4, but shorts can be great if you use the short to maybe as a teaser to bring them over to your long form videos. There's a right way, I think, to use them that's really beneficial for your channel. I just felt like, and I did get views on my shorts, but I only got like 3 subscribers when I did the few ones that I did. So I went ahead and unlisted them because I felt like it was really messing up my analytics. And that's really just my preference, honestly, is to not have them on here. I just feel like aesthetic wise that it just looks better without the shorts. And so you can see my playlist and you can see my intro video that I have. One other thing that I added to my videos since I started is timestamps. And if you want to check that out, you can look at this video here, Avoid Making These Mistakes. The small channel spotlight this week goes to Traveling X-Spots, Travel, Food, and Life. I don't know if I'm saying that right, and if I'm not, I'm really sorry. But they have 982 subscribers as of today, and I just really wanted to give them a shout out, and hopefully we can get them over that 1,000 subscriber mark. So if you've not checked out their channel, it's a travel channel. In fact, this last video that I saw, they had gone to Yellowstone, and it's just gorgeous, and I think I'm just like wanting to go places because I really enjoy these travel channels. But I just wanted to let you know about them. I want you to check them out. They're in our age group. And when you check their channel out, please leave them a comment and let them know that Melissa at Money from Zero sent you to them. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate all my subscribers. You guys are the best. And I hope that if you've not subscribed to the channel that you'll join our community. We would love to have you. And if you'll check out the description below, there's a lot of valuable information there. And so I pray that you are blessed and well, and I'll see you in the next video.